How to send money from PayPal to Revolut. So to start, what you need to do is to open your browser and then search for paypal.com. Once you're on the website, simply log in or sign into your account. And then once logged in, go to this wallet option. And then after that, there are two ways for you to send money to Revolut. First one is by tapping on this link a card option. And then the second one is by tapping on this send payments option. So the first one, let's just tap on this link a card option. And then in here, what you need to do is to input all the necessary information. Your card number, card type, expiration date, security code, and also the billing address. Once you're done, simply tap on the link a card option. And then the second option is by tapping on this send payments. In here, as you can see, I still don't have a balance to transfer. But if you have a balance to transfer and then you tap on the send payments option, you will see an option that says link an eligible debit card or bank. What you need to do is to tap on that, and then once inside, just input the necessary information for you to transfer money to your Revolut account. So those are the two ways on how you can send money from PayPal to Revolut. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!